What's going on, everyone? I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Serge. Welcome to the channel. To all my reoccurring viewers, thank you so much for all the love and support that each and every single one of you have shown me. And if you have not yet, make sure to go check out legionassistedlivingacademy.com, where I teach how to start your own facility from A to Z. Or if you're looking to just acquire something and configure it or do any kind of remodel to it, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help in any way I can. Also, if you're a passive investor or an operator looking to potentially expand or sell your facility, reach out to us at valleyalfventures.com. And now that this is all out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into the topic of this video. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to this home here in Scottsdale. This is actually a property that is one of my investors who I'm working with, and he's actually going to be taking this property and redoing everything, pretty much gutting this entire property and putting about $200,000 to $300,000 into it. And so what he's actually going to do is come in here and he's actually gonna add a bedroom here. It's currently 7 bedrooms, 3 bath. It was previously used as, let's trip there. It was previously used as an assisted living home in the past. It's been vacant and sitting like this for 3 years. It was actually bank owned. And so as you step in, you will see here this beautiful atrium, which we're planning to keep and actually put a fountain, kind of a seating area out there, and just making it very visually appealing, because as soon as you walk in, as you all saw, it's actually a really nice centerpiece for the home. And you actually have access to this with the sliding door, but this actually leads to the master bedroom here, that he's going to take the master closet and turn it into a bathroom for one of the other homes on this other section of the house that we will go to. And so this one is already converted for that with the roll-in shower, and it's got a door here that leads out to the backyard as well. And so it looks really nice and just gives you that extra kind of feature with that bedroom. And as we head back this way, this wall right here is actually leads to the kitchen. That's actually gonna be completely removed, and it's gonna just open up this area even more. So let's go ahead and take a look at this section of the house, where there's 4 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And this bedroom is really nice because it's actually got this access window here to the atrium. And one of the things that we're having to confirm right now with DHS, Department of Health Services, is to make sure this could be licensed as a bedroom, due to the fact that it needs to have an exit to the outside of the property. But we have another bedroom here, which is the largest of the 4 bedrooms on this section. But right behind this wall is actually gonna be where the master closet is right now, and it's gonna be turned into a full bathroom. So this room is actually gonna be really nice once everything is fully completed. And then we also have the community bathroom that these 3 bedrooms would ultimately share once everything's fully completed. Everything's already done in the sense of like the bones, but all of this, what you guys see, is gonna be completely removed and redone. And then we got another bedroom here, and then the 4th bedroom as well. And so all these bedrooms are actually a really good size for this area. We have a small little closet here that's probably not gonna be touched or moved. But let's go ahead and take a look at the kitchen and what's gonna be done in there. So with the kitchen, like I mentioned, this wall is gonna be completely removed, which is gonna really open up this kitchen right here. We got this center island. Again, this will likely be moved there for the hood vent and also the stove. All new cabinets, everything you guys see here will be completely redone. And then if you follow me back this way, we have I believe it's the 6th bedroom here. And so this bedroom has access to a half bathroom, which is very interesting the way they did this layout, but they got the half bathroom. And again, this doorway is really small. It's probably like 28 inches if I'm gonna be honest, like I could barely fit through it. So this will obviously be widened, and this will be converted ultimately probably to a full bathroom in some way. We're still working that out with the architect that's working on this property with us. And so if you keep following me, we go back through the kitchen again. And we have what used to be the garage of this property that was converted here. These are the last 2 bedrooms. So actually it's a total of 8 bedrooms, but this was actually converted from the garage. You can see the step down there. As far as this goes, this bedroom needs an additional window to actually truly make it a bedroom. They were probably utilizing it for staff. So again, this is gonna be completely redone and made into an official bedroom along with this one as well. And then this leads to just the side of the house, but this area is probably just gonna be for staff, like just a kind of common area where they'll be able to have these cabinets, but these will all be replaced as well. These are not gonna be what's gonna be here. This will all be replaced. There'll be a nice kind of common area for the caregivers. And then if we head back this way, we'll lead back to really the kitchen. You got a small pantry here, nothing too crazy. I'm sure we'll reconfigure a lot of this. You do have the central AC here with this, so it's kind of inconvenient that they placed this right here, but this will eventually, this portion will be a bedroom, like I said, to get it to a total of 9 total bedrooms. And so it's gonna look out, I'm really excited with this type of property because putting $200,000 to $300,000 is gonna make it just a complete makeover. And you guys will get to see what that all consists of and what it looks like once it's completely done. It's probably gonna be about 4 to 6 months of renovations for something like this. But this will give you all a really good idea of what it takes to convert a property and redo it all. He is gonna force a lot of appreciation by putting $200,000 to $300,000. And then he's also gonna lease it out to an operator who is experienced, who's gonna be able to properly fill the beds. But again, I'm really excited to work with him on this project and to help him see it to fruition and get it completed. And if this is something you wanna learn how to do, feel free to reach out to me to valleyalfventures.com and let me know if you are a passive investor, an operator looking to expand or look for a property like this to potentially lease out. Also, if you haven't, check out legionassistedlivingacademy.com. That is where I teach how to do these types of facilities, convert them, help investors, help operators, and anybody who's looking to get into this industry. I do host a free live webinar every single month, so make sure to go to legionassistedlivingacademy.com to register for that. And with all that, I'm excited to share the after video of this, and I'll probably do progress videos as the construction is getting started and what that all consists of. So with all that said, make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all the support, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. God bless.